Not nearly as much as before. And then your wire brush again. Usually just do a couple of runs on this one. Rub it down real nice, then take your dry one. Sorry for bumping you there a second ago. Take your dry swab or pad, whatever you want to call it, through your, I guess, follower, whatever you want to call it. Once again, I don't know if there's any official names for any of these things, but this ought to have some more than your wet one. I'm probably going to run through there a couple more times, but I'm not going to have to make you guys suffer. And the last thing you're going to want to do is clean out your upper receiver. I know I did this a little bit at first, but it's definitely going to be one of the last things you want to do, because you want to make sure your barrel's clean, but once you clean your barrel, you're dumping all the buildup that's inside the barrel into your upper receiver. So if you were to clean it at the very beginning, you just dump out everything into your barrel, into your upper receiver, and kind of pointless. So once you're rubbing your Q-tip through there and it's not getting too dirty, it usually means you're getting to be done. I only got 3 left, but usually get right by your I guess in a regular, like a larger caliber semi-automatic gun, I think this would be considered the locking lugs, but I don't know. It's where your bullet goes in, where your bullet's being fed in. Make sure that's nice and clean, because once again, directly related to the reliability of your gun. Alright. Once you feel that's pretty clean, your spring and follower, pull them out just like we did before. Make sure this time this little fella's lined up like he should be. Put your spring back on your follower. Follower in the hole. The bolt. Take your bolt. Put it on the spring. Pull it back and out. And there you can see my bolt's already beginning to get mucked back up because all the loose solvent in there. Just probably wipe it down and spray a little more in there when we're done here. Hold it back, lock it in, Make sure this little guy's in the right spot. Get ready. Pull all the way back. And we're catching on something. It wasn't quite seated correctly there. Alright, we'll put our pins back in here. Alright, a little triangle piece here. I don't know how well you can see that, but oh, I guess it just fell down into place. Never mind. Put all your both your retaining pins back in. Make sure everything here's lined up just right. Hammer them in. The bolt cycles correctly, safety off. I would not recommend blank firing 22s like a lot because it's bad on the system because they're rimfire, but I usually do it after a clean safety check, visual and physical inspection. All is good. So, oh yeah, on a Mossberg you can't re-engage the safety unless the hammer's back, so put your up receiver back into your stock. Screw. Screw. Screw your screws back in. I don't like screwing my screws in extremely tight, but tight enough so that you know they ain't gonna fall out while you're walking around hunting or planking or whatever you're doing. Because that could be bad. I don't know where you find another screw like that. And there you go. How to disassemble, reassemble, and clean your Mossberg 702 Plankster. Thank you and take care.